Hi everyone, in today's lesson I will talk about how to calculate log values of different bases. So please turn to a new page of your notebook, write down the date of today and the learning target. And at the same time, please help me to copy the table on your notebook. So we will start with the left hand side of the table, okay, exponential form. As you can see, there are several numbers. So what we are going to do is to simplify the numbers into exponential form. And I will demonstrate one to you as an example. So please take a look of 125. We can simplify it into 5 to the power 3. Okay, so now please help me to pause the video and then finish the remaining. And I will check the answer with you later. Okay, so let's check the answers together. Okay, for 36, we can convert it into 6 to the power 2. And for 81, we can change it into 3 to the power 4. And then 1 over 4, it is 2 to the power negative 2. And finally, for 1 over 343, it is 7 to the power negative 3. So now, please take a look of the right hand side of the table, and I'm going to talk about how can we use our calculator to calculate the log values of different bases. Okay, so now I will take log 125 base 5 as an example. And at the same time, please help me to take out your calculator. So in your calculator, please input log and then 5, comma 125, and then close the bracket and then execute the answer, and you will get the answer 3. Okay, so please be reminded that when we input the calculator, the first number represents the base, okay, and the later number, it represents the number that you want to take log. So now please help me to pause the video and then finish the remaining one. Okay, and I will talk about the answer later. So now you can check the answer, make sure that you get all of them correct. So now, can you discover anything from this table? Okay, so first, we convert this number into different bases. Okay, and then we take log of these numbers according to the bases that we convert. And the result shows us that the power will be the answer. And therefore, we can make the conclusion. If we know that a certain number x can be expressed as a to the power y. If we take log on this number x according to its basis a, the answer must be equals to y. Okay? So this process can be interchanged. Okay, and this is the concept that I want to bring out in this activity. Okay, so one more reminder is that in the previous part, we talked about log 10, for example, it is equals to 1. Okay, if there is no number here, that means we are using the base of 10. Instead of 1 or instead of 0. So that means it is the common basis 10 that we are using.